Hey, so if you want to contact an agent on Zillow, yeah, it's actually really simple, but a lot of people get confused because there are a few different ways it works. In this guide, I'll show you everything step by step. First, go to Zillow and open any home listing you're interested in. This is where you'll find the contact option. Now look for the contact agent button on the listing. Clicking this will open a form where you can message the agent directly. Next, enter your name, email, and phone number. You can also write a short message about what you're looking for, like buying, pricing, or scheduling a visit. Once everything is filled out, just send it. After that, the agent will usually respond by phone, text, or email. Now, there are other ways too. You can scroll down and sometimes find the listing agent's direct contact info, or call and text them if the number is available. And sometimes Zillow will connect you with a local buyer's agent automatically when you use the contact form. One important tip: be clear about what you need. Mention if you're buying, your budget, and your location so they can respond properly. So yeah, that's how you contact an agent on Zillow. Just use the contact agent button or reach them through their profile, and you're good to go. Hey, so